PipeRevive specializes in innovative trenchless pipe rehabilitation solutions for residential, commercial, and multi-unit properties. From small buildings to large facilities, we provide no-dig sewer repair and interior drain waste and vent system restoration without the mess and disruption of traditional pipe replacement. Spray-in-place pipe lining is a fast, non-destructive method used to restore vertical drain, waste, vent, and sewer pipes in apartments, commercial buildings, and homes. Repairing vertical pipe runs inside multi-story buildings can be challenging because of limited access and bulky equipment. With PipeRevive's trenchless approach, vertical piping can often be accessed through existing tie-ins and restored without opening walls or major demolition. The process begins with a detailed camera inspection. A small but powerful inspection camera is sent through the pipe to identify buildup, scale, corrosion, cracks, or damaged sections. Next, the pipe is cleaned and descaled using a high-speed rotary chain cleaner. This removes heavy buildup from the interior pipe walls and prepares the surface for lining. After that, hydrojetting is performed. Highly pressurized water is sent through the pipe to flush away remaining debris and leave the interior clean for coating. Once the pipe is fully prepared, the spray lining system is inserted into the pipe and guided to the required endpoint. The spray head is then pulled back at a controlled speed, applying a strong resin coating evenly along the inside of the pipe. As the coating cures, it forms a seamless, durable pipe within the existing pipe. This new interior barrier helps restore flow, improve pipe strength, and extend the life of the system for years to come. PipeRevive's spray-in-place lining method is designed for drain, waste, vent, and sewer pipe restoration in homes, apartment buildings, and commercial properties. PipeRevive makes pipe restoration cleaner, faster, and less invasive. Contact PipeRevive today to learn more about our trenchless pipe rehabilitation solutions.